Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a Jotform Enterprise account. If you're managing a larger team or organization and need advanced form building capabilities with enhanced security and support, setting up an enterprise account is the perfect solution. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your existing Jotform credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first before proceeding with the enterprise setup. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll find the enterprise option in the navigation menu. Click on it to begin exploring the enterprise features and benefits. This section is specifically designed for organizations looking to scale their form operations with advanced tools and dedicated support. Once you're in the enterprise section, you'll see an option labeled Contact Sales. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where you'll initiate the process of setting up your enterprise account by connecting directly with Jotform's sales team, who will help customize a solution based on your specific needs. Now you'll be presented with a sales form that needs to be filled out carefully. This form is crucial as it helps Jotform understand your organization's requirements. Start by entering your organization details, including your company name, industry type, and contact information. Next, you'll need to specify your team size, which helps the sales team recommend the appropriate plan tier. Be as detailed as possible about your needs, whether that's advanced security features, custom integrations, dedicated support, or specific form requirements. The more information you provide, the better they can tailor their proposal to match your organization's goals. After completing all the required fields in the form, review everything to ensure accuracy, then click the Send Request button to submit your information. This sends your inquiry directly to Jotform's enterprise sales team. Now comes the waiting period. Typically, you can expect a response from the sales team within 1 to 2 business days. During this time, they'll be reviewing your submission and preparing a custom proposal tailored specifically to your organization's needs. The response will include detailed pricing information, available features for your team size, and a setup link to begin the onboarding process once you're ready to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the process of setting up your Jotform Enterprise account by contacting their sales team and submitting your organization's information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.